Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our video series where we equip you with the tools and resources to make your maintenance and reliability teams more efficient and successful. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of sensors and Internet of Things, or IoT, technology in manufacturing. We'll dive into common use cases, discuss the benefits, and even share a pro tip on how to manage data collected from these sensors. Let's learn how this technology can reduce downtime, increase productivity, and ultimately save your business money. It's time to make smarter business decisions, so let's get started. One of the primary ways these technologies are used is in asset and facility monitoring. Imagine having sensors sending data from your critical assets and building systems to a centralized computer system every second of the day. This constant stream of information means fewer surprises, less downtime, and a significant boost in productivity. Here's a pro tip for you. Use a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to collect, store, and manage data collected from sensors accurately and efficiently. Now, it's important to note that there are hundreds of IoT sensors available today, and more are being developed all the time. The good news is that costs are coming down, which means implementing sensors is a smarter business decision than ever. But remember, don't go overboard. It's crucial for manufacturing facilities managers to identify those critical assets that are top priorities for sensor technology. Start with those assets that are most vital to keep your production lines up and running. Look for sensors that can notify you of problems that can result in downtime or significant damage. For instance, consider a vibration sensor that alerts you when an older machine requires lubrication. Performing this preventive maintenance task before the machine breaks down can keep your whole line moving. In some manufacturing companies, maintaining tight temperature control for sensitive equipment or storage of items like food productions is essential. Here, temperature sensors can ensure that those spaces stay within acceptable ranges before inventory or assets are damaged, spoiled, or lost. But it's not just about the machines. Overall building systems can also benefit from IoT and sensor technology. HVAC systems and utilities such as water systems can easily be monitored using sensors. This technology sends around-the-clock real-time information to a centralized system, allowing maintenance managers to shift from a reactive maintenance approach to a more preventive maintenance mindset. Sensors and IoT can monitor energy usage, water usage, and even detect flooding problems. They can also track things like mileage on equipment, such as forklifts used in manufacturing facilities. So, as you can see, the use of sensors and IoT in manufacturing is not just a trend, it's a smart business decision that can save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of IoT and sensors in manufacturing, how to use a CMMS for data management, and the benefits of these technologies in reducing downtime and boosting productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, making smarter business decisions starts with staying informed. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.